As you know, blockchain has revolutionized the commercial contracts. But what if a breach of contract happens? How can the parties trust each other? If you want to find out more about it, watch this video. Hi, and welcome back to Crypto Marker. Today, I'll be sharing with you some important facts about smart contracts and how they work. Smart contract is a term used to describe computer code that automatically execute all or parts of an agreement. This self-executing contract, with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code. The code and agreements exist across a distributed, decentralized blockchain network. The code controls the execution, and transactions are trackable and irreversible. The principle of a smart contract was described by an American cryptographer and programmer Nick Szabo back in 1996. There are two differences that smart contracts have over traditional contracts. They are written in code and immutable, meaning that there is no third party managing the agreement. Smart contracts allow for an efficient, seamless transaction. Rather than requiring hours of negotiation and paperwork, smart contracts are digital and automated. A smart contract is a sort of program that encodes business logic and operates on a dedicated virtual machine, embedded in a blockchain or other distributed ledger. Our video about blockchain can help you learn the most important things about it. First, the contractual parties should determine the terms of the contract. After the contractual terms are finalized, they are translated into programming code. Basically, the code represents a number of different conditional statements that describe the possible scenario of a future transaction. When the code is created, it is sorted in the blockchain network and is replicated among the participants in the blockchain. Then the code is run and executed by all computers in the network. If a term of the contract is satisfied and is verified by all participants of the blockchain network, then the relevant transaction is executed. Now it's time to look at the pros and cons of smart contracts. Please watch the video till the end to know the relation between smart contracts, DeFi, DAO, and dApp. Then you can explore the future of smart contracts too. Despite their promising potential, smart contracts also have their disadvantages. Security. Smart contract technology is new, and hackers continue to identify new hack surfaces. Blockchain analytics company CipherTrace reported that DeFi hacks led to $361 million in losses between January and July in 2021. In August 2021, a hacker exploited a vulnerability in a small contract for the Poly network to steal $600 million in digital tokens. Alignment. Smart contracts can speed the execution of processes that span multiple parties, regardless of whether they are in alignment with all parties' intention and understanding. But this capability can also magnify the impact of the damage that can occur when events spiral out of control. Management. Smart contracts are often configured in ways that make them difficult to change. Although this can be considered a security advantage, the parties cannot make any changes to the smart contract agreement or incorporate new details without developing a new contract. Smart contracts are secure. They use cryptography to prevent from altering of records. Transparent. Everyone can see what the smart contract is and what it's being used for. Third-party free. Smart contracts don't need a middleman to verify them. The blockchain does that for you. Autonomous. They work automatically, so there is no wait for human intervention. Accurate. Because smart contracts are written in code, they have fewer gray areas than written or spoken languages. Smart contracts are at the heart of the entire decentralized finance revolution and are used to power popular DeFi protocols like Compound, Aave, and Uniswap. Watch the video about DeFi to understand better. They are the backbone of a DAO. A DAO can be formalized by a smart contract. Interestingly, once a smart contract is live, no one can change it except by a vote. If you don't know DAO, our video can help you. They're also crucial for decentralized applications being built on smart contract platforms. A dApp can bundle multiple smart contracts together to do more sophisticated things and can also put a friendly interface on top of the contracts. Several cryptocurrencies lead the battle of smart contracts, but only the best can knock out additional complexities and technical flaws to keep the operation going. Here is the list of the top cryptocurrencies that are providing smart contracts capabilities in 2022. In reality, smart contract use case can vary from sector to sector based on where companies are using them. So let's see what these are. Digital identity, securities, trade finance, loans and mortgages, financial data recording, government, supply chain management, insurance, and clinical trials. The increasing adoption of various applications in industries such as supply chain, banking, government, insurance, and real estate are major factors driving the growth of the smart contract market size. Furthermore, the growing popularity of blockchain technology is increasing demand for the smart contracts market.